As you're exploring the caves, you're going to make multiple stops as they explain different points of interest and historical features. These guides are passionate about what they do and extremely experienced. Honestly, it was life-changing, and I'm so glad that I went and did this because I was confronting some claustrophobia I definitely felt while I was signing up on their website.
Alright, so I'm going up through your legs.
Yep, and then up through here.
And up through...
Up through there.
And all fit?
Yep, sometimes it's easier if you get your hip up above these two ledges.
Okay.
Holy crap, what am I thinking?